Good day to everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about strings in PHP. Strings are called sequence of characters. It can contain white spaces, numbers, characters and special symbols. For example, hello world. It's a sequence of characters, and here characters, numbers, special symbols, etc. that can be added. So these are all considered as string. In PHP, strings is one of the fundamental data type we can define using single quotes. There are numerous built-in functions available in PHP. We can see one by one. First, we'll go with chop. Chop function, what it does, normally it removes white spaces and other characters from the right end of the string. So here some white spaces are there at right end, so I am storing it in a variable called str, just printing echo using the chop function and of this string. So it removes the white spaces and it will print like that. So it removes the white spaces from the right end of the string. The same job will be done using the rtrim. It is used to remove the white spaces from the right side of the string. Chop and rtrim have identically can be used or interchangeably. Rtrim can also accept optional second parameters. That means white space and including some other special characters. If you want to remove, I can mention it here, and with this rtrim, str and some special character, which character if I want to remove, that character can be mentioned here. So here only white spaces are there. I am using rtrim function, I removed here. So that's the output of the rtrim function. Ltrim, it removes white spaces or other characters from the left side of the string. So here I am just giving some characters, special characters, and also some white spaces. So here using the ltrim function, the string, I am using that, remove this special character also. I am mentioning it here, remove these special characters also. So it removed both white spaces as well as these special characters. Finally, it prints like hello world. I am just printing it. Trim, what it does, remove white spaces and other characters from the beginning and as well as end of the string. So it removes from both beginning as well as end of the string. Here I have not given any white spaces, but some special characters, if I want to give some white, add some white spaces, that also will be removed using the trim function. It removes from the both end, left and right end. So I am just printing trim str, and with this you have to, this special character also you have to remove. So finally the output will be hello world. So we have seen trim, ltrim, rtrim and chop functions. Chop is used to remove the white spaces or other character from the right side. Similarly, rtrim also, ltrim for left side, trim for both sides. So you see first, what it does first character of the string to uppercase. Here I have used hello world. So this hello, h is small character, that is lowercase. I am just converting it to upper character using the UC first. First character will be changed to uppercase. UC words makes the first character of each word in a string to uppercase. Here each word first character will be converted into uppercase using the UC words. So string I am storing, this is a test. So all these small letters will be changed to uppercase. This is a test with the use of UC words string function. String lower, used to convert strings to lowercase. Here I am storing some value, welcome to PHP, in the string variable. So I am using that str to lower, it will convert everything into lowercase. Similarly, str to upper, it will convert everything into uppercase. So it converts strings to uppercase. Here this and this are already uppercase. In between some lowercase also there, but everything will be converted into uppercase using str to upper. strlen, it used to return the length of the string. So it counts including the white spaces, that is totally it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 words. Including these characters and these characters and white spaces, everything will be counted, and finally that output will be 13. So I am just printing string length of this string. So 13 will be printed. String reverse, it used to give reverse of the given string. We can use to find whether the given word is palindrome or not. For that program we can use this string reverse. So I am just using hello world, I am printing it to reverse, so it prints like this. String repeat, it used to repeat a string specified number of times. So I am storing a hello to one string variable, and how many times I want to store, so 3. So result just string repeat this string hello, and how many times? 3 times. So printing the result 3 times, hello will be printed here. String replace, it replaces all occurrences of the search string with the replacement string. So here in the string variable I have taken some string, that is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I am searching some strings, that is quick, brown, lazy, and I am replacing it with, I am just storing a simple variable search and replace. You can use some other name also. Slow, red, active. So I am just searching some these 3 words and I am replacing it with these 3 words. So result, this string replace function, I am searching quick, brown, lazy, and replace it with slow, red, active, in which that string, the given string. So in the given string, everything will be, instead of quick, the output will be slow, instead of brown, red, and a fox jumps over the, instead of lazy, the active will be printed here. So I am searching some string and it will be replaced. So for that, string replace function is used. CHR, it used to return a character from a specified ASCII value. All you know about that ASCII value, the of 65 is capital A. Just I am just using 2 variables, ASCII and ASCII 2. 97 also I am storing. I am just printing character and character 1 using CHR functions. So it gives the ASCII values. So next function is, it is str shuffle, which is used to randomly shuffle all characters in a string. Suppose here I am storing a variable string A to Z small characters. So it shuffles all the strings. Shuffle, one variable is stored, string shuffle function I am using, and this string will be shuffled. So output will be, first time if I run, this combination will give permutation of combination. Second time, next time, the random numbers, the random strings will be generated. Similarly, string 2 I am given some numbers. So first time these numbers have got it. If I run second time, some other numbers will be come. So this can be used for some random predictability like that functions. We can use this string shuffle function. str split, it is used to split a string into an array. String hello world I am using, splitting using the function str split, and how many characters if you want to take, I am mentioning it as 3. So it string into array, 0th index HEL. So here I have mentioned 3. So the first is 3 letters HEL it has taken. First index LO and some space is there. LO including some space. So 3 characters it has taken. Second index WOR has taken here. And third index LD and that exclamation mark symbols. So all the 3 letters it has taken. Instead of these 3, I can mention whatever numbers I wish to take, that can many strings it can take. and convert it into array. Substring, it returns a part of a string. So I am just printing all the hello world using from which position to how many characters. 0th position to 10th characters. Totally hello world will be 11 characters, I think so, including the space. So 10 means except D, it will print here. So 1 to 8, it will skip the H, 1 from 1 E to R, it will take. 0 to 5, hello will print, and 6 to 6, world. So first these letters will skip and world from 6th position to how many numbers I am given. So substring is it return part of the strings, position and how many length we can specify. Substring count, it counts the number of times occurrence of a substring. String, I am using 3 times hello, 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 and I have to find substring hello. How many times it has printed? 3 times. So my output will be 3 using the function substring count. This substring count, how many times it has printed, it has entered, it will be counted. Instead of this hello, 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 you can give some paragraph and you can find some other words, how many times it has come. For that you can use this substring count. Similar text used to calculate the similarity between two strings, and it can also give similarity percentage. So here I have taken 2 strings, hello world and hello PHP. So similar text, string 1, string 2, I am comparing number of matching characters, 6 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with this space also it is considering, so it's a 6 characters. If I remove this space, output will be 5. Okay, so like that 6 characters are matching, so similarity percentage is 60%. We can find the how many matching characters as well as percentage using similar text string function. Word count, it is used to count the number of words in a given string. You take some paragraph and give how many times this word has come, it will count. So here I have taken hello world, welcome to PHP. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 words are coming. So number of words are 5 using the string word count. I am just printing in the output. String has comparison. It compares 2 strings without considering the case, that is case insensitive, and returns an integer based on the result of the comparison. It returns 0 if the 2 strings are equal, returns a negative number if it is less than string 2, returns a positive number if it is greater than string 2. That is, in that example I have taken 3 strings, string 1, string 2 and string 3. So I am just comparing with string 1 and string 2, both are equal. That is, here it is uppercase, it is lowercase, it is a case insensitive. So ignoring case, both are equal. So result is 0. Similarly, I am comparing with string 1 and string 3. String 1 is less than string 3. That means I have added some values W I have given. So it is less than string 1. So it gives negative number. Like that, if I add some other values to string 1, hello 1 or 2 something if I add, then I compare with string 2, it will give positive integer. That is, returns a positive if string 1 is greater than string 2. If it is greater than string 2, it gives positive integers. Implode, it joins elements of an array into a string. So array, I have given apple, banana, cherry, and a delimiter tab I am giving which separator I am to give this. Using the implode function, I have to give the separator and array. So it will give string value. Similarly, explode splits a string into an array based on specific delimiter. So the string is apple, banana, cherry I have taken. The delimiter is comma. Result is explode delimiter string. So this string will be converted into arrays. 0th index apple, first index banana, second index cherry. So that's all about strings in PHP. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.